Hi and welcome back. Something that we are going to look at in this video is pretty mental, and a lot of people in the Python community don't really understand how this works. And that is that you can use the yield statement to receive data as opposed to only give it back. Here's an example. We're going to define a greet function, and this is going to say friend equals yield. Wait, what's going on here? Well, let's have a look. Then we're going to print hello friend. So this looks weird, it looks bizarre, and it looks weird to me too. But what's happening is we're going to say friend is equal to suspend the function. And then we're going to print out the value of friend. And this has been designed this way in Python so that we can suspend the function, but then also receive a value after we resume it. And the value we receive is going into friend, and then we can print that out. Here, we're going to say g equals greet. And the first thing we have to do is run the function up to right before the yield. So we can say g.send none. This is called priming the generator, priming the generator. And what this does is it sort of runs it up to right before the yield, and then we can do g.send Adam, for example. This is what's going into the yield, and the function is then going to assign Adam to friend, and we're going to continue here. Let's run this file. Okay. So we get a couple of things. We get hello Adam, so that's awesome, this works. But of course, we also get stop iteration, because there is a yield here, which means this is a generator, and the generator ends after we print. There's no sort of repetition, there's nothing else to yield, so we get a stop iteration because that's the end of the generator. So this receiving through yield is weird, but it's actually what makes asynchronous Python development possible. Let's look at another example right now. We're going to have our deck. Then we're going to have our friends, which is going to be a deck of Rolf, Jose, and so forth. And then we are going to have a friend upper function. This is going to say, while we have friends in our deck, we're going to say friend equal friends dot pop left dot upper. So it's going to get the leftmost element of friends, it's going to remove it from the deck, and it's going to turn it all to uppercase. This is the way of doing that in Python. Then it's going to say greeting